Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. From today we are going to learn JavaScript. To learn JavaScript, we need to run JavaScript in the browser. So we need a browser. So you can actually go with Microsoft Edge and then Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Okay, any of them you actually like most, you can go with. And now you need a code editor. So you can either use Sublime Text, either use Visual Studio Code. So if you want to download Sublime Text, you can actually go through Sublime Text download, or you can actually search here Sublime Text, and here you can see download option. Go here and download the Windows version if you are Windows user. Okay, and then we have Visual Studio Code. I will recommend you to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, so Visual Studio Code, just have to download it. Go for the download and click here Windows, and it will actually start downloading. Here you can see it start downloading. Okay, all right, here you can see I have downloaded it. Now let's go for the installation. So installation done. Now let's click on the finish. So this is the interface. Now let's go to the extension here. If I hover here, you can see extension, and I just have to install live server. So live server, so we just have to install it. Okay, click on install, and here you can see installed. All right, so we are done. Now we will create a folder. Okay, so I will say open folder, and I will go to the targeted destination here, and I want to actually say let's say JavaScript. Okay, script. I want to add this folder, so add. Here you can see JavaScript folder. Now I want to create JavaScript file, our first JavaScript file. Okay, and let's create. So the extension .js actually define that it's a JavaScript file. Okay, and now I need a HTML file, so I will say index.html. Here I'm going to say exclamation sign, then press tab. In the body I have to say script, not here really. Let's go here, I will say script. So here I just have to say source, and I just have to give the source, that is index.js, right? Because we're in the same file, I mean same folder, right? If our JS in the different folder, we have to mention the folder at first, right? Folder and then slash, then the file name. But we are in the same folder, so we don't need to mention the folder name. We just have to give here the file name. That's it. Now let's change here something. So actually I'm going to go for the live. So to see your output, I mean to see the output of from the from the JavaScript file, you just have to go to the browser and your HTML file. Okay, and then go for the inspect option. Here you have to go for the console. So here is the console. So let me go here. So this is the console, right? Okay, now let's say I want to say here console dot log hello JavaScript, and here you can see the output hello JavaScript. Okay, all right, so this is how actually you can write JavaScript. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.